Welcome back. A police pursuit begins in silence, but one wrong choice sends everything spiraling out of control. Flashing lights, rising tension, and a point of no return lie ahead. Stay with us. Some stories only tighten their grip the longer you watch.
Fighting one, fighting one! Can you put your hands on my bumper here?
Oh, I ain't gonna do
Oh, come on, no, Dennis. Dennis?
On the 14th of December 2022, in Tallahassee, Florida, USA. At first, the driver of this Nissan Altima pretended to cooperate, perhaps hoping to talk his way out. But no, this was a calculated trick. The moment officers prepared to step out, he floored it, turning a minor ticket into a long list of criminal charges. One decision that would completely change his afternoon. On a narrow two-lane road, the suspect recklessly crosses into oncoming traffic, nearly clipping a logging truck. A split second closer, and it could have turned deadly.
We're passing Great Haven Road, speed 100 plus, traffic light, coming up on 90. Alright, we're going westbound 90, westbound 90.
Ignoring a stop sign, he makes a sharp turn onto the main road, forcing other drivers to slam on their brakes. Public safety is cast aside for a fragile hope of escape.
Alright, getting back on the interstate, westbound 90.
After a tense pursuit, the officer waits for the perfect moment and executes a precise PIT maneuver on a highway exit curve. The Nissan loses control and slides across the grass. The escape collapses.
Westbound 90.
Smoke pours from the car as guns are drawn and the command rings out. Get out of the car. Petravian Rochard Texel, 28, is taken into custody, paying the price with 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, permanent license revocation, and fines for fleeing at high speed, reckless driving, and repeated felony offenses. One small ticket traded for an entire future.
Yeah, I think it was just the grass. We're good. Everybody good?
Everyone's good?
Everybody's good, right?
At Elva, Chugwe, on the 29th of April 2024, in Florida, police spot a black Dodge Charger blasting over 177 kilometers per hour, 110 plus MPH, in a 96 kilometers per hour, 60 miles per hour zone. The driver weaves recklessly, turning I-275 into a personal racetrack. When officers signal him to stop, he floors it, igniting a dramatic high-speed pursuit.
Bravo. Right, you right. I think it's a second one.
Right turn, exit 40 miles, right signal forward.
I think he lost control, almost signal forward. I can't tell, but he's still left Alright, so left down passing, please. Left round left He's a signal forward. Get out the car! That's him right there? Get off the fucking car. Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased. Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased.
Trying to squeeze through a tight gap between a semi-truck and a sedan, the suspect gambles everything on a reckless move. The result, a double collision that exposes his limits and total disregard for safety. With no more chances given, officers deliver a decisive PIT maneuver. The Charger spins out of control as commands ring out. Get out of the car. The speed game is officially over.
With him, as soon as I seen his brake lights, I figured something might have been there. As soon as I started to slow down, it started fading, and he stopped drastically. You know what I mean? To like crash right into. So I figured, hey, I'm gonna put him on. I'm not gonna hit you.
Yeah. Thank you.
But I mean, you sure you okay?
I'm physically okay. Yeah.
Oh man, that happened.
You can't outrun the inevitable. Tavion Lajuan Robinson, 22, is captured while hiding in a trash bin, facing felony fleeing, reckless driving, leaving the scene and resisting without violence. He's looking at 5-10 years in prison, potentially 15+ years, permanent license revocation, and fines running only makes the consequences worse.
He said they're gonna get you a walk.
Can I talk to my mother?
Yeah. You know her number?
Yes, sir.
Bagley, Minnesota.
How are you?
On the 13th of November 2025, just after noon, a Clearwater County deputy sheriff spots Dennis Hoey, 75, at a gas station and attempts to arrest him on a felony warrant. The initial conversation seems calm, but quickly spirals when Hoey refuses to cooperate. Instead of complying, he turns an old pickup truck into a getaway vehicle, igniting a dangerous pursuit.
Dennis! How are you? You doing all right?
Yeah, good, yeah.
Okay. You're at the VA today, huh?
Yeah, VA appointment this morning at about 9 o'clock.
How'd that go?
That went good.
Went good?
I went down last night about, I left early. I got there got to Fargo about 11:30, and I put the fuel on and went over to the VA. Slept there last night.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Can I have you step over here? I just got to talk to you about something, okay?
Sure. Can I finish this here first or what?
I'll keep an eye on it, okay? Let's just step over to my vehicle. You got any weapons on you without reaching for anything?
No.
No guns or anything on you?
What do you want anyway?
Well, I'm just asking you, do you have any weapons on you?
No.
No? Okay, let's step over to the front of my car here, okay? Want to just keep your hands out of your pockets for me?
Yeah.
Just step over here for me, okay? Can you put your hands in my bumper here?
Oh, I ain't gonna do
Oh, come on now, Dennis. Dennis? No. Okay. Hey. No. You are on. Fighting one. Dennis, show me your fucking hands! One at gunpoint. Give me some units now. Show me your hands, Dennis. 12 clear. Give me some units. Fighting one. Dennis, show me your hands. Dennis, stop. Show me your hands. Do not get in that car. Clear. He's back in his car. Do not drive away!
75 years old, wanted on a felony warrant, and ignoring commands, Dennis, show me your Pfeff. Ing hands. He keeps accelerating, a reckless choice that pushes the confrontation far beyond safe limits.
He's armed. He went for the vehicle when we were fighting with him at the gas station. Eastbound 202, I'll call it.
10-4.
Through the lawn. We're eastbound on Webb Street, through the yard. Hit.
Your hand!
Watch crossfire.
Get your hands up! Hands up!
We gotta...
Your hands up!
I got a window popper. You want me to pop it?
Pop it!
Gun! Stop!
Get away!
Shots fired.
Back up!
Gun! Stop!
Get away!
Shots fired.
Back up!
Start me medical. Shots fired. Fuck me.
Northwest of Bagley, shots fired.
Dude, you had a fucking gun.
10-4. We are also having LPAC 1.
I'm fine. He had the... No.
You bleeding on my head or anything?
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, I need you to back up. Okay, I got you.
Cornered, the situation reached a breaking point. Dennis Hoey, 75, discharged a device toward officers, leading to a fatal exchange as deputies responded to the immediate threat. The encounter ended tragically at the scene, a stark reminder of the consequences of escalating a confrontation with law enforcement.